Whether you need prototypes, molds and patterns, tooling, or end-use parts, the award-winning BigRep ONE can revolutionize your production at an accessible price point. With a massive build volume of 1 cubic meter, you can produce full-scale 3D printed parts to save time, reduce costs, and avoid complicated logistics. Flexible enough for all stages of production, the BigRep ONE comes equipped with a Fiber-Ready Power Extruder, able to tackle demanding and geometrically complex applications, available for single or dual extrusion in a variety of configurations to perfectly suit your needs. Power extruders feature interchangeable 0.6, 1.0, and 2.0 millimeter nozzles for maximum detail or high-flow additive manufacturing, effectively handling a range of BigRep materials including biopolymers, water-soluble support, and fiber-reinforced filaments, plus third-party materials. With semi-automatic print bed leveling, the BigRep ONE streamlines calibration for peak performance and consistent print quality throughout the printing process. The transparent enclosure reduces build temperature fluctuation and helps to protect operator safety during printing. The BigRep ONE fits all standard spool sizes, including 2 spools up to 8 kilograms. Get the optional Keep Dry box to protect your filament from environmental moisture that can ruin sensitive materials. The out-of-filament sensor pauses extrusion so you reload material with minimal interruption. The BigRep ONE's intuitive touchscreen interface lets you adjust print parameters, resume printing after a power loss, and much more. Configure your custom BigRep ONE and select additional add-ons to create the perfect machine just for you. Single mode includes 1 power extruder for large format printing at an attractive price. Our most popular configuration, dual mode, includes 2 power extruders so you can print water-soluble support and easily switch between materials or nozzle sizes. Print identical parts simultaneously with twin mode to reduce cost per part and cut printing time in half. Get the most from your BigRep machine with BigRep software. Blade makes it easy to slice your files with preset profiles for optimal printing. Boost productivity with BigRep Connect, cloud-based software to monitor prints, organize job queues, and review data analytics. No matter what your application, the BigRep ONE is an affordable solution for reliable, large-format 3D printing. Large-scale innovation, limitless creativity.